You play in a beat, you play in a sea, your kind of style. Because you never know, I'm your dog master, rumba style. This a rumba, rumba style. This a rumba. Stop that breakdance, stop that breakdance, stop it. Bomb like in the middle of the yeah, no, now hip hop they do now. Now hip hop they do now. You have to do you have to do some hip hop now. You understand me now? So now we have to go for reggae style. Understand me now? Yeah, oh, I. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah, no. Yeah. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. I remember. Just make a lot of email because maybe I feel wrong by Babylon. No, you have to try it. You have to try it. I'm stuck now. You have pop things. You have pop things. Hey, party, hey. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you on top of the PADI show. You have to know what we're going right now. We're taking reggae style. We're taking reggae style. No. Calm down. What are you smoking? Hey. Why are you smoking? Hey. What's wrong to you?
Man, write it down. I want to talk. Me use and talk.
Young lady, write it down. Oh, you don't spoil everything for my head now. What's wrong with you, young girl? Oh, yeah.
Ogbolor, you know sabi this thing.
Na country music.
Ogbolor, you know sabi this thing.
Na country music I play just now.
You know sabi. The only one wey sabi na tang.
Man to man is so unjust. Oi. You don't know whom to trust. Hey. Your worst enemy could be your best friend. And your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you. Oh. I mean, have you hold myself, girl?
Yeah.
Me have you hold myself.
You know, only yourself, girl. You get bad right back.
Everything you say, back to you, Mayowa. Back to you. We welcome everybody on top of the PADI show. You know, we have to go at reggae style. Go back to Babylon. You understand me now? Haile Selassie.
Rasta fried rice, pack and chop. You hungry, you pack the rice, you chop them and
anything available, you know. We have to go, we have to bring the real Rasta.
Yeah.
You know, we are not get dreadlocks.
Yeah.
We are not get dreadlocks.
Yeah.
We have to bring the real Rasta. Onto the show, you know.
Onto the show.
You know, we have to go, you know.
We have to go.
Babylon style.
Man, we van is a Rasta reggae.
No, you have to get Rasta under your hand. You know what I'm saying?
Under my armpit. Me no get Rasta, man.
No,
me jar Rasta fried rice. He gave me this one. Me buy, me put it. Rastafari, we dey go break.
You are speaking India. What's wrong to you? We have to come back right about now. We go this break. Yeah,
we take one my break.
I remember when we used to sing.
Oh.
Hey. In the government, you're in front town. Oh, let God let me break. I'm trying not to go too spiritual.
Yeah, man.
You understand, brother?
Yeah, man.
That baby has smoked Babylon Igbo. Kwale Igbo. What's wrong with you, young girl? What's wrong with you? You're showing us your eyelid, your eyebrows.
Eyelid.
Your eyebrow.
Eyelid.
Me have to correct myself. What's wrong with you?
What wrong with me? Me no how to do this. Me no do anyhow. Me scatter it. I want to give you gist. Hello, ma do the one wasabi before this to go to another thing. Yandy yan, please pour it.
All right, I think see Yandy yan right about now, yo.
Right about now.
Right about now.
Let me just, please, don't beg. A 53-year-old woman. Ogbolor. You want to hear my just now?
Call my name for respect.
Ras Ogbolor.
Rasta Ogbolor.
Rasta Ogbolor. They tell me Ras in front itai too. So you are a Rasta Ogbolor.
Bless.
They bless you too.
Bless.
In this place, Nigerian place that we are in this place like this, and when you people are not well. My print of people, because one man, now 53-year-old pastor, he don't impregnate like 20 women. Yes, impregnate them, can't impregnate their begins join. You get it now? He said it is the Jah give him the vision. Just say go there and the world. And pregnant people. He say even the married women, their husband must consent to it more. That husband will say give to the pastor more. And the pastor will take it more.
So their husband
man.
consent to it.
Man. And the Holy Spirit say man.
No.
He consent, he belly them, all of them, belly everywhere.
Talk this story, how they go take understand. They spoil people.
Police don't catch the pastor now. He don't give everybody belly full everywhere for inside the church. He said he get one. He said one get 10 children with her husband. She leave the husband, go impregnate with a pastor, sit down with her for inside Holy Trinity. I'll be waiting the name of the place where they call him. Yes, Vineyard Ministry of the Holy Trinity. Another person say as he impregnates her, the pikin died and she give her daughter. Because the Holy Spirit says so. You understand me now? So, last and short of the matter, they don't catch the police people, don't catch the man. They don't shut down the ministry or scoff, and then the man now they inside custody because then they get, they get this thing with women anyhow, and then the church come full with children. Children. And if they bought the pikin, they go there for the church. Don't say they go carry them.
For the church for there. Wow.
They go stay for the church. So the manager just said, me no send you more me catch you, I police deal with you, I.
So police have to catch the man now.
Police have to catch the man now.
Bless.
Yeah.
With big up to we policemen them.
Yeah.
Big up to we policemen. Po. Gunshot for the policemen. Po. Yeah, we have to be happy that the police have to catch the man now.
Have to catch the man now.
So the children, all the children now, you have to belong to the pastor now.
Belong to the pastor. Just they talk, I go they follow you for back.
Anyway,
just they talk and go, they follow you for back. Anyone
the
will
one
talk,
where we talk, I will talk. The one I know if you talk, I know will talk. As I want to read my story now, I will come back to myself. You understand? Because me I feel no, it's spiritual. It's spiritual. You have to give me some
swagger. You have
swagger.
a connection, a spiritual guitar.
I still don't get no dreadlocks, man.
You have a guitar lock.
I have a guitar lock.
You have a guitar lock.
Jah reveal it to you.
Jah reveal it to you.
Flesh and blood, I feel not reveal it to you.
I feel not reveal it to you.
Jah reveal it to you.
Yeah. Man, provide everything, we pack it up.
All right. Okay. All right. Miss Story. Harrison Ford, all of them know him. I come back to the normal thing. All of them know him as one Hollywood actor that year. He done the old now. But for like 2 decades, maybe like 20 years, he done the fly plane. And he get license to be pilot. But recently, he can do say make ink fly in plane. As they fly in plane on this particular day, you can't notice say engine won't come the form failure. It can't throw out distress call. Now me say, quick, I want to crash landing. I know if it land for inside our normal airport, but this landing now, I go land for any other place when there go be airport where people them not there.
Excuse me, man. Me wanna enter your shot.
You wanna enter my shot now?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Me wanna enter your shot. Me think that you do your cab this way, man.
To be more on the spiritual level.
Man.
Bra. Now, Harrison Ford now don't carry plane. You can't land inside one golf place there where people they always play golf course. Now they land the plane put. Thank God, 18 no give him a heavy injury. Now just some considerate amount of injury and his head open small, blood can't come out. But his son can't tweet 2 hours after the whole thing happened, say, in Papa they all right. And the Papa strong, as usual, people expect to make him be. Because this man, now one of Hollywood's greatest actors. I sabi the guy that year. He did act some kind strong film. They jump from plane, they jump from on top house and different things. But all the jump catch him now. But still level, the guy is still strong. It's still strong. Well, we thank God say we never lose and down Hollywood greatest. We thank God. And the family say the man, they very, very cajat. We have to sing a song for Harrison Ford now.
Yeah.
All right. Sing me a song.
Emike.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yaga, yeah.
Yaga, yeah.
Oh, ayaga.
Ayaga, yaga, yaga, yo.
Ayaga.
Ayaga, yaga, yaga, yo.
Ayaga,
Say this is a message from Jah. That my people must be free.
Yeah.
Nigerians must be free. PADI has been free.
And we go on a break now when we return.
Yeah.
We give you another yandi
Inwaka.
All right, me na come back now. Me na ma come back again to give it a shot. When I'm a limit to the pada yan. Everybody
oh yeah, and I'm from my body. Back in the Mr. Front stuck again. I'm a Mr. Run bast again. I'm again a Mr. Boss got my match. Oh yeah. All right, you have to drop the story now. We have to drop a story now that we run, go do laugh.
I might give you my neck on my voice. I don't know it. I don't wake up. I wake up like this.
Now the quality only when you go smoke. Don't worry you.
Not the original one.
Not the original one.
Wow. Oh yeah. Hey. Wow. All right. Okay. Based on this particular gist, so now remember that 47-year-old lesbian woman waiting for inside the United Kingdom for there. We talk say then catch her for here. Now she run go UK. Say because she be lesbian, her husband family catch her, they can't say the carry her go Sharia court where they say she go stone her to death. She can't run enter inside United Kingdom now. And she don't enter inside the United Kingdom now. You know, say they get gay rights there for inside. She go run enter inside America again. Because the excuse which she for use for that side no pure. Now she run enter inside America and then they come tell her, say, Madam, come. You know if you just wake up today say you don't turn lesbian. Yesterday you been get husband, you get picking. You get husband, you get picking. When you been there Nigeria, you they dress like woman. Just because of say you want here, say they want deport you, go back now. You can't they claim all those kind of many things. So they say they check them, They say they check them. So I don't know. Maybe make we hear smart thing for inside waiting she talk.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Why I say?
I was taken to a detention center. And in fact, I didn't know what a detention center was because it was a prison environment, big walls, all sort of things, keys and everything. It was a prison. But I was there for a week or so before I was released into the community. And I didn't have much information. But even if I had the information, it's still not right to keep people in detention center because I came to seek asylum. I didn't feel it was right to be locked up straight away in a detention center. And from other experiences that I've had with the detention center, it is an indefinite thing. You don't know when you'll be released. If someone has come to you to say, I want sanctuary, I am running away from this, I don't think that person should then be locked up again.
You understand me now? All these things where she ma talk, ma. Either ways, ma, you talk front, you talk back. 2 weeks remain for you and your intended lover. You will know your fate. Maybe you will be deported or you may remain in the United Kingdom.
But Mayowa, from the way me look that woman now, you know, that woman, she a lesbian.
Now they say that before the woman she dressed like a woman. When she hear deportation, she begin dress like a man. Yeah. So it's a two-way story. This story is two-way.
Maybe she they hide from her real self. Maybe she did hide from her real self.
Bro.
And when police here come say, lady, bail up or deportation or everything, she have to say, this is the real me.
Bro.
So, message from that story now, be yourself now.
Be yourself.
Be yourself
now.
now. Be yourself. Yourself can save you after deportation.
Or yourself can put you in prison forever.
Okay, so based on the be yourself gist, Davido.
It's
Davido. Davido first never clear.
You
You understand? So Davido. Davido, if he sing, his voice will come clear. But if he talk, his voice will be clear. All right, so Davido and we get one girl that they call Sophie, where people they always call around them Belladonna. You understand? Again, a popular big Abuja Rose girl. Now the girl don't come out talk say she carry belly for Davido. All Davido guys come to shout say no, Davido, you are not know you too much like that to be involving with you on a pregnancy level. Say Davido is not anybody, he not get anybody pregnant. Say like this now, the girl is just doing say she want attention to herself. Say Davido, you are not a two-face. Understand me now? He's not a two-face. So all the HKN gang, everybody have come out, Shino Rambo and everybody say, no, Davido is not like that. It's not like that. Davido, they wear something, not they use skin to skin. You understand now? And if at all anything happen, it cannot be for this Belladonna. The Belladonna is too public for you to be putting things inside and be planting seed for everything. You understand? So Davido have come out now. Davido is in London now. He's in London now. So but the guy says still in house. The day Lagos, so that is spokesperson. You understand me now? So that is the whole level on top of the gist. Davido, finally, we go hear the final gist. Very, very soon we'll hear the final gist on top of the particular matter. Whether Davido, he are upcoming father too, or he has turned to Wiz Daddy too.
you know say this particular girl when they call Sophie, na university dropout.
Yes.
And I don't know whether it's okay to talk this thing, but me go just talk on this particular girl, na my junior for school. But
So what you see, make I tell you, say, birds of the same feather, you are flocking together. You know, so that means, say, probably along the line, you two have the spirit of a belladonna too. You understand me now? You two, you fit acquire the spirit of a Sophie.
Me not do this, me not joke with you, man.
What's wrong with you,
Don't be doing talking to me anyhow. I'm proud you,
Why you can't speak to my body like this now? Why they worry this girl? You just speak. Don't behave yourself. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy.
We go break job before we go laugh the laugh.
Someone is Andrew with you.
Laugh the laugh.
Then behind them to soup on you. Only your friends know your secret. So only him who reveal it. Spread love to your fellow man. Spread love to your fellow man. Go out and spread love to your fellow man. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, you're being welcome back on Love the Laugh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have to bring. I go all the way to Jamaica, go all the way to Babylon, everywhere. I have to rise my fellow brother, my fellow man in the building. You have to give us the original patois. You know, you have to drop it like it's hot. You understand me? I don't chop my mouth now.
You understand me now?
You understand me now,
man?
Man, yes. So my wife, you have to do the introduction.
I'm introducing not to somebody nice now. We brought him all the way from Jamaica to come and his name is Guy.
All right, so you have to introduce yourself to the people now.
Yeah, man, Holy Emmanuel, King of King, Lord of Lord, the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Haile Selassie the first.
Hey!
Rastafari.
Hey!
Anyways, I'm in the man them called Ratata, you know. So
Ratata.
Me lay upon the program PADI.
Yeah.
Alongside to me Idren, the man them called Ogbolor, and the woman them called Mayowa. So 3 we have done the station upon the program, you know. And I'm going to Babylon can't tell you.
Why I say?
Why you say this? I tell you. I tell you this thing. Why you say?
All right, so we have to go to our Twitter handle now at
Talk
at
rugby.
Wazobia PADI now. You understand me now? You go there, you have to drop your gist. How you have to like the show. You understand me now? You said speak something. I'm not worried. They fall out there.
You be like the show at
Yeah.
Wazobia PADI. Me now we 3. We make I use your voice. We now we 3. We here now. We now there together with my guy Ogbolor Mayowa now. Ratata the Rasta fried rice back and chop everything scatter, put it together in the house and
All right. So you go tell them now, say, now Friday be this, so make everybody just take it easy. Make they go groove, and everybody can go flex, but make they take it easy, and we'll see them on Monday.
All right, people, you have to say good on today on Friday.
Yeah.
Some we have to say Uno, we fling we all of them Babylon Liberty.
Warrior.
And then breeze the jail Liberty. Anyway, for Monday next week, jail we are going to woke up with Uno again. So
Yeah.
I say respect.
Respect. So we have to see you on Monday now. We love you. Yeah, sing.
Guitar.
You know complete. Now one this thing.
try the one.
Playing this.
All right, people.
So if we see you all, we love you. Monday.
Oh, pirates, yes, the rabbi.
Oh, no, yeah.
Them so nice in the mansion ship.
Hey.
Minutes after them took Iman.
Bro.
From the bottomless pit.
Yeah.
But my hands was made strong.
It's strong.
My hands on the Almighty.
Mighty.
We forward in this generation. Triumphantly. So, won't you hear me sing? The song of freedom. Is all I ever had. Redemption song.
Bro. The song of freedom. Let me see you.